working on a long report or a thesis, or perhaps you're a teacher trying to organize your syllabus. Well, a table of content makes navigation easy, and Word can build it for you automatically. I'm Tech Warlock, and today I'm going to teach you how to do that in under 5 minutes. Well, let's dive into it. First, apply heading styles section to your section titles using heading 1 for the main section and using heading 2 for subsections and so on and so forth. These styles tell what to include in your TOC in a table of content. Do this repeatedly for every single section heading, subsection heading, and make it throughout the entire document. And now the long awaited hour, time to insert your table of contents. Head over to the references on the top ribbon. Choose table of contents where you want the TOC, where you want your table of contents to be inserted. Go to the reference tab, click on table of contents and choose a built-in style. Word will instantly generate the table of content based on your headings. And I think I'm going to choose this other one. And voila, our table of content automatically has been set up for us. And as you can see, in case you do feel like an adjustment needs to be made to your table of content, you can simply just make changes. Well, make changes to your document, no problem. Click inside the table of content and choose Update Table. Let's say we want to make this a new heading. So let's say this and this. Well, you go back to table of content and there we have it. It has been updated for us. Or come back and update table content, update page numbers only, update entire table. Okay. Well, want more control? That's simple. Click onto the custom table of contents to adjust how many headings labels appear, change formatting, or tweak alignment. Well, it's up to you. Make it to match your style, and whatever you do, don't forget to always Control F, which helps to save. Well, that will be it for today. Our 5 minutes are nearly done. Well, a table of content keeps your document organized and professional. Subscribe for more quick word tips and stay above the pump. This is Tech Warlock, as usual, guiding you through the ups and downs of computing. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment to help me help you make some changes. In case you feel I speak too quick, drop a comment about that. In case you need more details, be sure to inbox me. See you next time.